Audio CD 1, Track 6, Unit 3, Boarding and Taking Off. After passing through security and immigration and shopping in the duty-free store, Nick and Lisa arrive at their gate.
Flight PW854 is now boarding. All passengers on Flight PW854 should proceed to Gate 9 for boarding.
All passengers seated in rows 36 to 44 may now board.
That's us. Let's go.
Help me carry something. Why did we buy so many things in the duty-free store?
May I see your boarding pass? Thank you.
Here we are, 43A and B. I get the window seat.
You can have it. I don't want to look down.
Put this bag in the overhead compartment for me. I'll put my purse under the seat in front of me.
These seats are so small. I feel like a sardine. I'm going to recline my seat and put down my tray for reading.
Sir, please keep your seat in the upright position and your tray up until after takeoff.
Can't we study French here in Liveville?